Imagine you're on a safari in Africa. The landscape stretches wide in front of you, breathtaking nature all around, the sun gently setting, and everything feels peaceful. Suddenly, you notice a calm lake in the distance, its surface strange, its color more red than blue, almost like blood. You get closer and you see it, a bird, completely fossilized, perched on a rock like a statue frozen in time, and then another, and another. Creatures all turned into eerie, stone-like figures. Welcome to Lake Natron, the most terrifying lake on Earth. A place where the water can mummify you alive. What is Lake Natron? Lake Natron is no ordinary lake. Located in northern Tanzania near the Kenyan border. Stretches about 57 kilometers long, but it's extremely shallow. Its water is usually not blue, but red or deep orange. Why? Because of a rare type of algae called Dunaliella salina. It thrives in deadly alkaline environments and produces a red pigment when exposed to sunlight. But that's not all. This isn't just a salty lake. It's highly alkaline, highly dangerous, and deeply disturbing. Why is the lake deadly? First, the lake's pH can reach up to 10.5. That's about as alkaline as household ammonia. Any creature not biologically prepared for it will literally burn from the inside out. Second, the water temperature can soar up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat accelerates evaporation, concentrating the lake's toxic salts. Third, the lake is rich in sodium carbonate known as natron. This is the same substance ancient Egyptians used for mummification. So if a creature dies in this water, it naturally gets preserved, almost instantly. In seconds, it becomes a real-life statue. In 2011, British photographer Nick Brandt visited the lake and captured what can only be described as nightmare fuel. Birds, bats, even small reptiles, all fossilized along the lake's edge as if frozen in mid-flight or mid-step. The images were so haunting, he published them in a photo series called Across the Ravaged Land. One of the most famous photos? A bird standing upright on a rock, eyes wide open, wings spread, lifeless, yet perfectly preserved. Why doesn't the lake dry up? The secret is geography. Lake Natron is completely closed off. No rivers flow into it. No outflows drain it. Anything that enters the lake stays there forever. Rain falls, becomes water, then evaporates, leaving behind toxic minerals and salts. Over thousands of years, the lake has transformed into a natural chemical lab, one that no ordinary organism can survive. Here's the twist. One creature does survive in the lake. Yes, the lesser flamingo breeds right inside Lake Natron. How? It feeds on the same red algae that colors the lake. Where does it build its nests? On small islands inside the lake, safe from predators that fear the deadly water. In other words, the flamingo uses this hellish lake as a protective shield, a stunning example of natural adaptation at its finest. Lake Natron isn't just a deadly body of water. It's a symbol of the strange balance between life and death. A place that kills almost everything, but offers sanctuary to one smart survivor. So here's the question. If you ever visited Tanzania, would you dare to touch its water, even just for the experience? Or would you stay at a distance? Like the wise few who live to tell the tale? Tell me in the comments. What scared you most about this lake? The petrified animals? The burning water? Or the idea that nature itself can be a silent graveyard? If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Because in the next one, we're diving into the forest that swallows people and why some never come back.